Need help organizing your pantry for the new year? Here are 3 tips to create a well-designed and organized pantry no matter the size. Tip number 1, group like items together. Before you purchase anything, take inventory of the most used items in your pantry. The goal is to make your pantry items visible and easily accessible so you immediately know when you're running low. Make a list of the items that are bottled, packaged, individually wrapped, or bulk size. When you take inventory of your pantry items, you'll notice a pattern, and it'll make your grocery shopping more efficient. Do you have a lot of snack foods like chips and sodas? Group them together in clear containers. Have lots of bottled marinades? Purchase a carousel so they are easily seen and accessible. Clear containers come in a variety of shapes and sizes. I'll provide shopping links with some clear container options below. Tip number 2, place your bulk items on a separate shelf. Take inventory of dry goods you regularly use that are purchased in bulk. Items like flour, sugar, cereal, nuts, and pasta can be placed in airtight containers. The easiest way to label your containers? A white dry erase chalk pen. You can either purchase chalkboard labels or write directly on the containers. Once they are labeled, organize your containers and place them on a separate shelf. Tip number 3, create a weekly meal plan. A weekly meal plan easily answers the question, what's for dinner? Start by finding recipes that are easy to prep, then create a grocery shopping list. Shop every 2 weeks and review your calendar monthly for special occasions like birthdays or holidays. It will make your life easier, more efficient, and reduce stress. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below if you tried any of these organizing tips in your home. If you need help personalizing your design style, take my Define Your Style questionnaire provided in a link below. Subscribe to this channel for more videos and design tips, the latest furniture trends, and shopping links. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, thanks for watching.